First rates, any second on your screen now, Nifty has started absolutely flat, but it's good to see that instead of red, the first tick is a green tick. 6050 for Nifty, and for the Sensex, the first rates are, just come up on your screen, 14 points up for the Sensex. Okay, I'm going to just skip my mandate today. Instead of large cap stocks, I want to start with Jubilant Foodworks, because that stock surely will be hammered out of shape. A 1% cut for Jubilant Foodworks. I'm surprised with the strength. The stock corrected 80 rupees yesterday. Most of the brokerages have reacted today. Post the management commentary, maybe there is a case for some more downside weakness for Jubilant Foodworks. Asian Paints, it's part of the Nifty 50 now. They came out with poor set of numbers for the quarter gone by. Numbers were not all that impressive, but bear in mind that Q3 was a strong quarter for Asian Paints because of the festival demand, and Q4 historically is a poor quarter for Asian Paints. But an expensive stock, priced to perfection, poor numbers surely could really derate the stock, at least in the medium term. 46.24 for Asian Paints. Sun Pharma wasn't news on Tuesday because it crossed that market cap of 1 lakh crore. It corrected yesterday, and today it seems to be consolidating. 956 rupees for Sun Pharma. It's a big day for NTPC. NTPC will come out with their Q4 numbers. NTPC is also part of the Nifty 50. Expectations are not very high. NTPC is not a market moving number, and the stock is absolutely flat at 156. RCom will also come out with the Q4 numbers. The stock has seen an extraordinary run-up in the month of April and early part of May. Ahead of numbers, RCom is absolutely flat at 110 rupees.
Just on the index, you're looking at slightly weaker openings for some of the pharma stocks. But let's start off with Maruti Suzuki. That's your top gainer. Right now, about 1.5% higher. Sun Pharma continues to look good, so that one also opens about 1% higher. There's the cement pack, ACC Ambuja, that's done well this morning. You have the IT pack, which is looking okay. ONGC has had a positive start. BPCL is up about 0.7%. You have to keep an eye out for all the oil marketing companies. We can bring up HPCL and IOC as well. Just get a cue given the buzz of a potential diesel price hike. You have HPCL as well, which is up about 0.6%. Gati should also come up on your screens on the back of earnings, and HT Media will also be in focus. Gati on the back of good numbers, 4.5% up. HT Media, a whopping 11% move coming in on this stock, 114 for an HT Media this morning. Aside of that, some of the sugar, some of the mid-tier banking names will also be in focus. Cipla, of course, a weakish opening there. You have Reliance Industries, which has had a weakish opening. ITC, which has looked weak, so down about 0.6%. HDFC is, down about 1%. Should bring up Punjab National Bank. That one is down about 0.6%. Like Nikush pointed out, you have to look at Jubilant Foodworks and some of the consumer names, essentially. A Dabur, perhaps, in traded Godrej Consumers, whether there's been a bit of a rub-off there. Weakish opening for both these stocks. Dabur incidentally was a sell call this morning as well. Godrej Consumers, that's 0.25% higher. 10% equity has exchanged hands for Shriram Transport. The stock will come up for you on your screens. 2.5% up. That's nearly 10%, yes, of equity exchanging hands. 752, 2.5% up of Shriram Transport.